English lessons.
In today's mini English lesson, we're going to talk about future simple, a tense that a lot of us know, but some of us don't know how to use. But today, I'm going to show you how easy it truly is. There are 5 ways to use future simple. 1 is for offers, 2 is for requests, 3 for promises, 4 for predictions, and 5 when we arrange to do something on the spot. Let's start with the last one. So you come to my house and you're hungry. I don't know about it. And you tell me, Natasha, I'm hungry. So I make a decision on the spot and I tell you, I will make you a sandwich. The second one, the prediction. It has to do with me basing my future assessment on information I have right now. So for example, when I look at the sky and I see the clouds, I'm not guessing, I can see the clouds. So I'm saying, well, I'm sure it will rain tomorrow. 3, when we have an offer, is something like, I will help you with your homework, or I will take you to your football match. 4, request, is when we ask someone something very politely, possibly a teacher or a person we don't know very well. For example, will you open the door for me? Or will you give me a glass of water? And finally, promises. A good example is, I will call you tomorrow after work. So there you go. This is how you can use the future simple in a very simple way.